Once upon a time, there was three best friends, namely Rian, Dolly, and Katie. One day, Dolly and his boyfriend have a date.
Rian, did you see Dolly? I hear that Dolly and his boyfriend have a date.
Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm late because I have a date with Eman.
Dolly, can we talk for a while?
Oh sure.
Ay,
Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody.
So, what is all about?
Dolly, because you have no time with us. You are always with your boyfriend, and you are not focusing with your study. Hey guys, what is the problem? Did you notice that she has no time with us, and she is not focusing to her study?
Yeah, I noticed that.
He is distracting Dolly's studies.
Why both of you is judging my decision?
Because we are your best friends. And we care and love you.
But have no right to judge my life. You're just my best friend.
Okay, fine. We're just your best friends, and we have no right to judge you. But Katie, wait!
Katie just walked out, and Dolly was leave. And the next day, Dolly meet his boyfriend, and they talk.
Okay. Hi, babe.
Can we talk
Sure. Hi,
About-
babe.
about us?
What is the problem about us?
Listen, babe.
Okay.
Okay.
Why are you crying, babe?
I want to break up with you. I don't love you anymore.
Okay, fine.
Dolly and his boyfriend broke up because she realized that she loved her best friends more than she loved his boyfriend. Dolly, Katie, and Rayan, they became best friends again.